Hi mate, my name is RD and I'm living in London. Just another day. Tara, let's go nowhere. From Central London, sumakay lang ako ng bus just to roam around in Central London. And I remember while I'm filming this video, this was just a dream. A dream between my late sister and I. Back in 2015, I was here in the UK, specifically in Northern Ireland. I looked after my sister. She was a nurse for 15 years. But life happens. And now, I'm starting to make that dream reality. Zizam, I'm starting to make your dreams come true. Late man ako ng 8 years, but still, I made it. Look at the buildings in London. So much history, so much culture. I really adore London. This is my dream place. Na-share ko lang naman. So bago pa tayo magkaiyakan, bilisan na natin. And I'll show you saan ako napadpad. So, pumunta na lang ako dito sa most expensive indoor mall in Central London, I must say. Andito na yata lahat ng luxury brands. Louis, meron dyan Louis Vuitton na naman. Meron dyan Prada, yan. Meron din Christian Dior, Loewe, Hermes, name it. Lahat yan nasa ground floor. May Fendi. Akit tayo sa first floor. So, dito sa first floor, lahat naman ng clothing luxury brands nandito. Givenchy, Christian Dior clothing, men's, Canada Goose, oh, my dream jacket, Casablanca, Louis clothing for men's, Prada clothing for men's, Comme des Garçons, and all. Sobrang daming luxury brands na nandyan. Hopefully one day I can afford to buy. Saint Laurent. So, nag-ikot-ikot lang ako dyan. Nag-feeling mayaman. Of course, London brand Burberry. Moncler. One of my dream clothing. I hope one day I can buy one of their jackets. Dolce & Gabbana, Gucci. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Ikot-ikot dito sa mall na to. tipong nabuboost yung pangarap mo na magtrabaho pa. Loro Piana, Very London. Ayun, parang na-recharge ako na magtrabaho pa, kumayod pa. Second floor tayo. More clothings for women. Napakamamahal. Hi there! Seriously, itong mall na to, napakamamahal ng bilihin. Nakita niyo, wala masyadong tao. Charot. No, pero maraming napunta dito. Maraming turistang napunta dito kasi medyo sikat tong indoor mall na to because of their yellow paper bag. Chanel, they have their own store inside. Napakabongga. Then let's go to third floor. So here, more on denim, clothing. Lahat ng uri ng denim na nasa isip mo nandito. At lahat ng uri ng denim na napakamahal nandito din. Sayang di ko lang na-videohan yung mga presyo. Minsan ginagawa ko to, yung window shopping. Just to recharge. Just to boost your dreams again. Na kung kaya ng ibang tao, why not? Hindi mo gawin. Meron lang tayong kanya-kanyang perfect timing. Diba? Fourth floor. These are for kids. Kids luxury clothing. Kids luxury brands. Hindi ako masyado nagtagal dito, I think. Yeah. Parang unikot lang ako ng very, very light. Then, nagpunta na ako agad ng lower ground. Dito sa lower ground, nandito yung mga mamahaling stationaries. Yes. Mga notebook, ballpen, planner na napakamamahal. Dito mo yan matatagpuan sa lower ground. Kandilang mamahalin na branded. Dito ka makakabili. Chocolates. Jewelries. Actually dito sa jewelries nagtagal ako kasi tumingin ako. Pero plated lang halos lahat. They don't have so much real gold, 18 carats, mostly 14 carats and below. Kasi diba, I worked in Abu Dhabi, in United Arab Emirates, and in Abu Dhabi, you can buy 18 karat golds per gram. Natandaan ko ito. Itong plato, tinignan ko yan, parang nasa 200-300 pounds. Kung bibili ako niyan, baka hindi ko yan kainin. I-display ko lang yan. Tapos, andito yung mga travel accessories. Luggages. I mean, luggage. And then, tech accessories. Andito din. Tumingin nga ako dyan ng vlogging camera eh. Pag-ipunan natin yun. Diba? Why not? Try natin yan. Tapos, andito rin yung cinema nila. Parang manood na kami dito once. And then, more on tech accessories on this side. Tapos, nakita na ko dito sa mga LED lights. Ang cute, diba? Life is beautiful. Good vibes only. And then, ito na. Yung mga mamahaling chocolates. Andito sila lahat. Mamahaling pastries, cookies, andito sila lahat. Affordable naman. Kung hindi ka bibili ng marami, syempre. Look at that. So delicious. Buti na na lang diet ako. That's all. This is Selfridges. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.